हेलो क्लास 6 स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू द डिजिटल साइंस क्लास। आज हम आपकी बुक का चैप्टर 9 करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है मूवमेंट इन एनिमल्स। चैप्टर एट अ ग्लांस, लोकोमोशन इन एनिमल्स, मूवमेंट इन ह्यूमंस, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी। एंगेज, लेबल द डायग्राम केयरफुली। लोकोमोशन इन एनिमल्स, तो हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था, लोकोमोशन करना मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूवमेंट करके जाना। मूवमेंट इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ऑल लिविंग बीइंग्स। All living beings move naturally. The movement may occur in the whole body of an organism or only in parts of it. The movement of an organism body from one place to another is called locomotion. Locomotion does not involve the whole body but only a particular body part is used. तो लोकोमोशन करने के लिए कौन कौन से बॉडी पार्ट की जरूरत होती है? लेट्स सी इन दिस टेबल। ह्यूमंस लेग्स, काउज लेग्स, फिश टेल्स, फिन्स, बर्ड्स विंग्स। और इन टर्म्स को क्या कहते हैं? इन ह्यूमंस वॉक, इन एनिमल्स वॉक, इन फिश स्विम एंड इन बर्ड्स फ्लाई। लोकोमोशन हेल्प्स एनिमल्स। लोकोमोशन करने से एनिमल्स को किस चीज में हेल्प मिलती है? टू मूव फ्रॉम an unfavorable environment to a favorable environment, to find their food and water, to protect themselves from their enemies, to find their partners, mates for reproduction, to find suitable place for laying eggs or rearing their young ones. Vertebrates and invertebrates. The body structure of an animal determines the kind of movement they exhibit. We know that our backbone helps us stand upright and enables us to move. Based on the presence or absence of the backbone vertebral column, animals are divided into two groups. तो किसी के अंदर बैकबोन यानी कि वर्टिब्रल कॉलम है या नहीं, उसके बेसिस पर एनिमल्स को टू टाइप्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है। वर्टिब्रेट्स, animals that have backbone are called vertebrates. Human beings, fish, frog, horse, birds, lizard, etc. are vertebrates. Next is invertebrates. ऐसे एनिमल्स जिसके अंदर बैकबोन नहीं होती। Animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. Earthworms, snail, cockroach, etc. are invertebrates. The movement of vertebrates is different from that of invertebrates. Let us learn about the movement of some animals to understand various kind of locomotion. Movement in earthworm. Earthworm do not have bones. They move by the action of two groups of muscles and bristles like structure called setae. One group of circular muscles surround the earthworm like a set of rings. The other group of longitudinal muscles runs along the length of the body. The setae act as anchors to grip the surface the earthworm moves on. तो अर्थवर्म जो होता है उसके अंदर कोई बोन नहीं होती, वो अपनी दो मसल्स के हेल्प से मूव करता है और हम इस पिक्चर में अर्थवर्म को देख सकते हैं। टू मूव फॉरवर्ड द अर्थवर्म फर्स्ट ग्रिप्स द सरफेस एट द पोस्टीरियर टेल एंड द सर्कुलर मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट द बॉडी बिकम्स लॉन्गर एंड नैरोअर। नाउ द अर्थवर्म ग्रिप्स द सरफेस एट द एंटीरियर हेड एंड and loosens the posterior end. The lengthwise muscle contracts, the body gets thicker, shorter and moves forward. The action of these muscle group causes a wave-like motion that helps the earthworm move through the soil. Movement in snail. Snail में movement कैसे होता है? The snail has a rounded thick structure it carries on its back. It is called the shell and it is the outer skeleton of a snail, but it is not made of bones. It is made of calcium carbonate. The shell is a single unit and does not help in moving from place to place. In this picture, you can see a snail. It has to be dragged along. The snail can hide inside this shell to protect themselves from heat and enemies. The way motion of the foot can be seen is through a series of rippling waves of contraction pass over the foot and force it forwards. The rest of the body enclosed in the shell is dragged along. The foot produces a slimy substance called mucus. The snail actually crawls onto the layer of mucus. Snails also have a pair of tentacles that bear eyes at the tip. Movement in cockroach. Cockroach also has a hard outer skeleton like snail. It shows locomotion with the help of 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. The muscles of the leg help the cockroach in walking and the breast muscles in flying. Knowledge basket. Cockroach, crabs, etc. have exoskeletons. Movement in fish. Fish have a spindle-shaped, streamlined body. This shape of the body helps it to move in water. Fish use their muscular tail and fins for swimming, and air-filled swim bladders make the body buoyant. Fish अपनी muscular tail की help से swim करती है. During swimming, the front part of the body and the tail part curve in opposite direction. This makes a jerk and pushes the body forward. A series of such jerks make the fish swim ahead. The paired and unpaired fins help to keep the balance of the body and to keep direction. Knowledge basket. Why can elephants not jump? In the case of the elephant, in fact, it's impossible unlike most mammals. The bones in the elephant legs are all pointed downwards, which means they did not have the spring required to push off the ground. Movement in snake. Snakes have a large number of vertebrae. They have large number of slender body muscles that interconnect the adjoining vertebrae, ribs and skin. Snakes move by making loops. These loops give a forward thrust against the surface and snake crawls or slithers in the forward direction. The movement of snake is known as serpentine motion. Snake के अंदर बहुत सारी vertebrae होती हैं और उसकी वजह से snake crawl कर सकता है आगे की साइड और snake के movement को serpentine motion कहते हैं. Movement in birds. Birds have two kinds of locomotion. Birds can walk on any surface with their legs. The bones of the hind limbs are fit for walking and perching. Ducks and swans can also swim in water. Birds fly in the air by spreading their wings. They use their chest muscles to flap their wings. Birds के अंदर दो तरह का मोशन होता है. वो किसी भी सरफेस पर चल भी सकते हैं एंड वो अपनी ब्रेस्ट मसल्स की हेल्प से फ्लाई भी करते हैं. Ducks and swans swim भी कर सकते हैं. The body of birds is streamlined and suitable for flying. Their bones are hollow and light in weight. The bony parts of the forelimbs are modified as wings. Mosquitoes and houseflies fly with the help of wings attached to their bodies. Structure of human body. A human body is made up of billions of cells which combine to form tissue. A group of different tissues working together to perform a specific function makes up an organ, and group of organs that works together to perform a life function makes up a system known as organ system. Thus, a human body is organized is as follows. ढेर सारी सेल से मिलकर बनता है टिश्यू और ढेर सारे टिश्यू से मिलकर बनता है ऑर्गन और ऑर्गन से मिलकर बनता है ऑर्गन सिस्टम और ऑर्गन सिस्टम से हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी बनती है. Human body is made up of several organ systems, each one performing a particular function. The major system with their organs and functions are given in the table. अब हम अलग अलग organ system और body system के बारे में देखते हैं. Body system, nervous system. इसमें कौन कौन से organ work करते हैं? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. और इसका function होता है sense what is going around you, coordinates what you need to do and transmits message to different parts of the body telling them what to do. Body system में skeletal system, organs work करते हैं, bones and function होता है heart joint framework that supports and protects the body. Muscles are connected to parts of the skeleton enabling the body to move. Next system is muscular system. इसमें organs होते हैं skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles. Function होता है muscles contract to move parts of the body. Next system is reproductive system. और इसके अंदर कौन कौन से organs होते हैं? Males के अंदर testes, sperm, tube, urethra and penis. Females के अंदर ovaries, oviducts, uterus and vagina. And इसका function होता है produces offspring. Next is circulatory system. इसके अंदर organs होते हैं heart, blood vessels and blood. And इसका function होता है delivers food and oxygen to body cells and carries carbon dioxide and waste products away from the body cells. Next is digestive system. Organs: mouth, esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Function is digest food so that it can pass into the blood. Respiratory system. Organs: nose, windpipe, trachea and lungs. Function: transfers oxygen into the blood and gets rid of carbon dioxide and water vapor from the blood. Excretory system. Organs: kidneys, ureter, bladder, urethra and skin. And the function is gets rid of waste products from the body. Movement in humans. Humans के अंदर movement. The framework of bones and cartilages which support the body of an animal or human is called its skeletal system. The skeletal system of a human body is made up of 206 bones and cartilages. Bones are hard, cartilages are soft and elastic. Ribs, breastbone, limbs, hands and legs, shoulder bone, hip or pelvic bones are examples of skeletal system. In this image, in this diagram of skeletal system, all of the parts are described. You can see them. Knowledge basket. The largest bone in the body is the thigh bones, femur. Functions of the skeletal system. Skeletal system के क्या-क्या functions होते हैं? The skeletal system provides support and gives shape to the body. It protects the soft and delicate vital organs of the body. For example, the skull protects the brain, the ribs protect the lungs and the heart. It plays a very important role in the movement of the body. Muscles are attached to the bones. Bones and muscles work together to move all parts of the body. It forms framework of the body. It helps to protect and keep the delicate organs of the body in their proper positions. For example, the bony cage made by breast, bone, ribs and the backbone protects hearts and lungs. It produces blood cells and stores certain materials. Various organs of the skeletal system. अब skeletal system के अंदर अलग-अलग organs के बारे में बात करते हैं. The skull. The skull has two main parts. Cranium. The cranium provides a cover and protection to the brain. The bones of the cranium are flat and are held firmly in a zipper-like manner. Facial bones. The facial bones consist of the upper and lower jaws and a few other bones. The lower jaw is movable. The movement of this jaw enables us to eat, talk and sing. The skull also includes a pair of eye sockets. The backbone. There is a series of bones down the center of our back which supports the weight and structure of our body. This is the backbone. The backbone is also known as vertebral columns or spine. It is not a simple bone but is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. The backbone, though called a bone, is really a flexible structure made of 26 bones. As a baby, we have 33 vertebrae, but lower 9 bones fuse to form 2 bones. The backbone serves several important functions. It allows humans to stand upright and maintain their balance. It helps to support the head and arms and provides attachment for many muscles. The ribs and few organs. It protects the spinal nerve. The ribs. Ribs are thin, flat, curved bones that form a protective cage around the organ like heart and lungs. In our chest region, this is called the rib cage. There are 12 ribs consisting of 24 bones arranged in 12 pairs. The ribs are joined to the backbone at the back. The ribs can be felt if we run out fingers across our chest. The chest bones. The chest bones form a cone-shaped bony cage. The elliptical bones of the cage are called ribs. Ribs are attached to the sides of each vertebral and the back. 10 pairs of these ribs are attached to the breastbone at the front with the help of the cartilage. 2 ribs in the front are free. The chest bones protect lungs and heart. In this image, हम देख सकते हैं कि कैसे हमारी ribs, हमारी chest bone, हमारे heart और lungs के आगे एक cage-like structure बना लेती हैं. Next is limbs. Hand and legs. Humans have 2 pairs of limbs, 1 pair of forelimb and upper limbs, arms and the other part of hind limbs or lower limbs. legs. In this diagram हम देख सकते हैं हमारे four limbs और हमारे hind limbs. Next is the shoulder bones. The shoulder bone is formed by the collarbone and the shoulder blade. It connects the upper part of the chest and the bones of the arm. Knowledge basket. Giraffe, which has long neck, has only 7 bones in its neck as in humans. The hip or pelvic bones. The hip bone is formed by the fusion of 3 bones. The hip bones together with the hip and the tail parts of the backbone form a large bony ball called pelvis. Movement of bones. Bones cannot move by themselves. The muscles attached to the bones make them move at joints. The bones act as levers and joints as fulcrums. Contraction and relaxation of muscles make the bones move up and down. तो जो बोन्स होती हैं वो अपने आप मूव नहीं कर सकती. बोन्स को मूव करने की हेल्प करने के लिए हमारी मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और एक्सपैंड होती हैं. Muscles work in pairs by contraction and relaxation. When one muscle of the pair contracts, the outer one relaxes. The bones provide leverage for rapid contraction and relaxation of muscles. It means bones and muscles work together. For example, the up and down movements of our arm are controlled by 2 groups of muscles, biceps and triceps. Let's see कि कैसे bicep and tricep muscles work करती हैं. A. Contraction of biceps puts up the bones of forearm towards the upper arm. The triceps are relaxed. B. Contraction of triceps pulls down the bones of forearm away from the upper arm. The biceps are relaxed. When we raise our arm, the biceps contract. जब भी हम अपना आर्म ऊपर उठाते हैं तो हमारी बाइसेप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती है. They become shorter and fatter and pull the arm up. When we lower the arm, the tricep contract, the bicep relax. It means triceps become shorter and broader and pull the arm down. Joints and movements. The joints in the body are the places where 2 bones are joined together. The joints are strong enough to withstand jerks. The end of bones are covered with soft cartilage. It acts as a shock absorber and reduces friction between the bones. Now let's see this activity. Aim to observe the movement of different parts of the body as mentioned in the table. इस टेबल में हमारे अलग अलग बॉडी पार्ट्स दिए गए हैं. हमें इनका मूवमेंट ऑब्जर्व करना है. प्रोसीजर. मूव ईच ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट्स एंड नोट डाउन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन इन द टेबल गिवन. सो इस टेबल में आप अपना ऑब्जर्वेशन नोट कीजिए. ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड कंक्लूजन. The different parts of the body show different types of movements due to different types of joints found in them. The bones are held together at the joints by strong stretchy bands called ligaments. There are many joints in the body. They are of 3 types. Depending on the types of the movement, they allow immovable, slightly movable and freely movable. तो जो हमारी बोन्स होती हैं वो आपस में जॉइंट से कनेक्टेड होती हैं. जॉइंट्स आर लाइक अ रबर बैंड. मतलब वो हमारे बॉडी में हमारी बोन्स को कनेक्ट करते हैं और स्ट्रेचेबल होते हैं और उन्हीं की हेल्प से हमारी बॉडी जो है, हमारी बोन्स जो है मूव कर पाती है. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द जॉइंट्स, अलग अलग जॉइंट्स कुछ मूवेबल होते हैं, कुछ जॉइंट्स हमारे मूवेबल नहीं होते और कुछ जॉइंट्स पार्शियली मूवेबल होते हैं. लेट्स सी देम. इमूवेबल जॉइंट्स. बोन्स एट द फिक्स्ड पॉइंट जॉइंट lie against each other and age fused. Fixed joints do not allow the movement of bones. Joints that attach the ribs to the sternum and those found in the skull are all immovable joints. Partially movable joints. These joints allow only limited movements. Such joints are found in the vertebral column. Freely movable joints. The joints that allow wide range of movements of bones is called movable joint. These joints are held together by strong bands of connective tissues called ligaments. They are found at the knees, elbows, wrists, ankles, neck, shoulders and hips. जो freely movable joints होते हैं वो generally हमारे knees, elbows, wrists, ankles, neck, shoulder और hips पर पाए जाते हैं जो हमें freely, easily move करने देते हैं. There are different kinds of movable joints. Ball and socket joint. The ball and socket joint is present in the hip and the shoulder joints. The end of one of the bones is round like a ball and fits into a hollow part socket in other bone. This joint allows movement in all direction. Hinge joint. The joint which allow movement only in one plane and only up to 180 degrees called a hinge joint. The knee joint is a hinge joint. Pivot joint. It is the joint where neck joins the head. It allows the head to move backward and forward and turn to the right and left. The head rotates over a cylindrical bone of neck. इस इमेज में हम अपना hinge joint देख सकते हैं और अपना pivot joint. Gliding joint. A gliding joint allows one bone to slide over another. This joint is found between the small bones of wrist and ankles. It allows simple movement of gliding back and forth of sideways. Muscles. The muscles are attached to the bones by tough cords known as tendons. A muscle has at least one tendon at each end on both sides of the upper arm bones. There is a pair of muscles. When one of the muscles contract, it pulls against the bones of the arm. This action at a joint work in pairs. One muscle makes the joint bend while the other makes it straighten. X-rays. X-rays are the special photographs of the body. X-rays are used to find out any fracture in the bone. X-rays are discovered by German physicist W.C. Roentgen. In 1895. Roentgen discovered these rays accidentally while working on medicine and scientific research. In these images, हम अलग अलग बॉडी पार्ट्स के एक्सरेज को देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि स्कल का एक्सरे, चेस्ट का एक्सरे एंड हैंड का एक्सरे. As with humans, when ants hustle, their careers evolve. The work lives of ants are much more nuanced but rise up to the hierarchy, changing positions with age. By barcoding the backs of carpenter ants, filming their activities and analyzing their movements over 40 days, researchers learned that the ants in a colony change jobs over time. Young carpenters act as nurses and stay close to the queen. Later they become cleaners, roaming the nest, and finally they grow up to be the exploring foragers. Moral learned. The relationship we foster with our companion animals and teaches us how to be compassionate, as it forces to look beyond our needs and imagine those of another who is vastly different from ourselves. Compassion is all based on being able to understand the feeling of another. Recapitulation. The movement of an organism bodily from one place to another is called locomotion. The body structure of an animal determines the kind of movement they exhibit. Snails have a pair of tentacles that bear eyes at the high tip. Fish have a spindle-shaped, streamlined body. This shape of the body helps it to move in water. A human body is made up of billions of cells which combine to form tissues. The skeletal system of human body is made up of 206 bones and cartilages. Thank you, class. Let's meet again in the next chapter.